Hi, I'm Dr. Akshaya. I'm a gynecologist. I practice in Chennai. I've come here for the FMAS and DMAS course and also the fellowship in hysteroscopy. Basically, I opted for this course because we do have some exposure in our hospital, but then I wanted to become like strong in the basics, and we all of us do. But going to the depth of the knowledge and then gaining more will help us gain more confidence. So that's the main reason why I opted for this course. And also learning from eminent faculties is again a good thing. So that's the main reason why I opted. These days, everyone thinks more about cosmetic effects. So people want a smaller scar, and no one really like when at the end of the surgery, it's more about what the patient sees. So when they see a bigger scar, they compared to a smaller scar, they become more upset. So when it's a smaller scar, they are happier. So I think laparoscopy, when you can do, it has faster recovery also. So I really think it will help my practice if I can well verse in this. Yeah, the first day when I came here, the skill development officers had initially started off with endotrainer training. And then initially we thought, okay, this is going to be very tough. But then as days went, we actually gained confidence, and the hand-eye coordination, be it the hand-eye coordination or the way our hands, like the movement, everything has improved. And I really think I've learned a lot from this place, and I've improved a lot also from what I had already known. I initially thought I can never do that, but then now I really feel confident. From I think around the day 3 or something, day 3 or 4, they taught us the knotting techniques step by step. First it was the surgeon's knot, then it was the Dundee jamming knot, and right now I'm able to do both with confidence, and I have improved a lot in that aspect. Yeah, we had lectures by Professor Dr. Renu Mishra ma'am. I really loved the way she puts forward each point, and she's like her ethical practice. She's actually very inspiring. Kusumlata ma'am was very practical. She was very energetic, and Davan sir, he was a very fun-loving person. So all the lectures were like great. And also we had OT exposure with Dr. Alka Kriplali ma'am, and she was too good. At this age, if I don't know, like she is also very, very inspiring. She does like almost all the difficult surgeries with such ease, and being their student, like it's really an honor. Learning things on our own, okay, everything is there in the book. That is one side, but learning life experiences from eminent people like them really did add value to it. Like it's just like e-learning and going to school. You get to meet different kind of people, their experiences, and then the professors, lecturers, real life experiences, all has added value to it. And also the skill developmental officers and also the coordination team. All of them have played an equal role in our course, because the SDOs, they initially taught us on the basic papers and the basic stuffs on like papers and all these endo trainers. And then when once we moved on to the wet lab, it was really like a very good experience, because you had a person, an animal, and working on it was like more it gave us more responsibility. We had to face a lot of responsibilities during the table. It not only taught us about skills, but also about patient care, thinking about the patient, having the patient in mind, and then working towards it. The environment is completely safe. There's no doubt about it. I was very comfortable. It didn't feel like, I'm away from home, except for the change in diet. Yeah, that was there, but again, the food was pretty decent, so we didn't have, and the cooking buyers were also very sweet, so we didn't have any difficulty. Yeah. Thank you, Medicity.